Now I'm going to tell about the concept where I start by doing this one. How to take LCM of numbers. You take this number 5 and 10. Now you need to take LCM. The first method is like taking the prime factorization of each one of those things. 5 can be written as 1 times of 5. So 5 becomes 1 times of 5, and 10 it can be divided as 2 times of 5. So this 10 becomes 2 times of 5. Now 5 is common among both of them. You need to take even, at least present even ones. So LCM going to be equal to, this is 1 is present, 2 is present here, so take 2, and 5 is present in both of them, present at once or present at in both of them, and which is the maximum number of times present. Here 5 may present 2 times, here 1 time, then you must take the 2 times. So here just 1, so take 5. 2 times of 5 is 10, so 10 is the LCM. Next I going to tell how to take LCM of number when it is a bigger problem. I start doing that thing. That is, let's start by taking this number. That is, let's start by taking here. Here you going to get, you can take LCM of, they have given numbers 2, 3 and 5. You can start by taking this LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Let's start. First take the minimum number, that is prime number 2. 2 1 times 2, 3 5. So now LCM going to become equal to, you need to multiply all of them. Here up to this one, all of them gets into equal to 1. So this is 2 times of 3 times of 5. 2 times of 3 is 6. 6 times of 5 is 30. So the LCM going to become 30. 1 minute, I come back. Here they have given one more thing. Just 1 minute. Here they have given numbers which are 3, 5 and 7. You need to find out what are the LCM of them. Now you can start by taking that 3, 5 and 7. Here let's start by taking least prime number, that is 3. You can divide this 3 1 times. You cannot divide 5, 5 remains like that. You cannot divide 7, 7 remains like that. Now let's take next prime number, which is 5. Now you can start by taking 5 here. 5 1 remains like that. 5 1 times 5, 7 remains like that. Now let's take the next prime number. Next prime number is 7. So let's start dividing it by 7. 1, these two remains like that. 7 1 times 7. For LCM, you need to multiply all three of those numbers. So you're going to get it as 3 times of thanks Ohio Garage, and 3 times of 5 times of 7. 3 times of 5, which becomes 15. 15 times of 7, which becomes 105. So this is going to become equal to 105. That is the LCM of those three numbers. Let's take another two numbers just. That is here 5 and 15. Now you can start by taking here 5 and 15. See which is the lowest prime number which can divide. 2 cannot divide any one of them. Now 3, yes, 3 can divide this 15. So let's take 3. 5 it can't do anything, it remains 5, and 3 5 times is 15. So right here 5. Now let's take next prime number, which is 5. Here 5 1 times 5, and again 5 1 times 5. Now you can get LCM as equal to, multiply those two numbers. 3 times of 5. 3 times of 5 means which becomes 15. So 15 is the LCM of those two numbers. Now they give another three numbers. Here they are giving 2, 8 and 10. Here in these numbers, here let's take like in the same way 2, 8, 10. Let's start by taking starting prime number, which is 2. You can take 2 here. You're going to get 2 1 times 2, and 8 can be, you can divide 8 as 2 4 times 8. and again 10 can be divided as 2 5 times is 10, after which you need to divide the next prime numbers. Here you get it as again 4 can be divided by 2, so again take 2, 1 remains like that, 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and 5 remains like that. Here let's take 2 again, and 2 you can get it as here 1 remains like that, 2 times of 1 is 2, and 5 remains like that. Now here only 5 is remaining, so let's take next prime number which is 5. 1 and 1 remains like that, 5 times of 1 is 5. So here LCM going to become, you need to multiply all of those numbers. Now you're going to get it as 1 2 3, there are 3 2's. You can multiply here as 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 5, 2 times of 2 is 4, 4 times of 2 8, 8 times of 5 which becomes 40. So 40 is the LCM of those three numbers. Let's take another numbers. Here they are giving 10 and 20. You need to find out LCM of them. You can take 10 here and 20 here. Let's start by taking starting prime number 2. Here you can multiply, you can divide them by 2. This one 2 5 times is 10, and again 2 10 times is 20. Again, is there any number dividing by 2? Yes, this 10 can be divided by 2. So let's take 2. Here 5 it cannot do anything. It remains like that. 10 it can divide. 2 5 times is 10. Now let's take the next prime number which is 3. Now 3 can't divide anything of that. So let's take 5. 5 1 times 5. Again 5 1 times 5. Now LCM means multiply those all three numbers. You're going to get it as 2 times of 2 times of 5. Here you're going to get this completely as equal to this one. 2 times of 2 is 4, and 4 times of 5 is 20. So this becomes completely equal to 20 is LCM of these two numbers. Now let's take two more numbers. Here they are giving 20 and 50. After taking 20 and 50, you can get here. Let's start by taking 2. You can divide 2 here. 2 10 times is 2, 1 times 2, 0 comes with it. And 2 2 times is 4, 1 comes here, it becomes 10. 2 5 times 10. Now it can be divided by 2. Yes, here 10 again can be divided by 2. Take 2 here, 2 5 times 10, and here 25 remains like that. Now 2 cannot divide anything of them. Let's find out if 3 can divide. 3 also can't divide 5, it cannot divide 25. So let's take the final number which is 5. 5 can divide this. 5 1 times is 5, and this one 5 5 times is 25. Now again this one 5 is there, so again take this 5, 1 remains like that, 5 1 times is 5. Now the LCM going to become equal to, multiply all those numbers. There are 2 2's, so take 2 times of 2, and 2 5's, so take 5 times of 5. Now after multiplying you going to get it as 2 times of 2 4, 4 times of 5 which becomes 20, 20 times of 5 which becomes 100. So this LCM is 100. Let's take two more numbers. Here they are giving 3 and 7. You can take LCM of 3 and 7. Now they are prime numbers, so take direct numbers. 3 1 times 3, 7 remains like that. And 7 also, 7 1 times is 7. So this LCM going to become 3 times of 7. 3 times of 7 is 21. So 21 is the LCM of those two numbers. Bye.